Greetings, and thank you for returning to SHIB. Experts predict that by 2024, $10 SHIB will have been generated thanks to this innovative strategy and program. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is now making headlines as it is the second most valuable meme cryptocurrency by market valuation. The coin is the lifeblood of the ecosystem and supports several internal processes, including the Shiba Inu decentralized trading platform ShibaSwap and the network governance. It is practical as well. The token is said to have served as an inspiration for other industry-leading meme currencies, such as BitShibaVax, Captain Shibarium, and others. An effort to promote decentralized community formation within the Bitcoin sector is the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Experts estimate $10 SHIB by 2024 thanks to the new burn strategy and project, which we'll go over in this video. Appreciate it if you subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up if you want to stay updated on expert analysis and price predictions for Shino. Here we go with the video, no holds barred. If you're looking for the best meme coin in the industry, go no further than Shiba Inu, a community-driven cryptocurrency that comes in at number 2. Shares in Coinbase and Binance, two of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, are owned by SHIB. The developer of SHIB, Shoshiro Kazama, has begun a blog series to promote the arrival of the Shibarium Layer 2 beta. The cryptocurrency community was agog after the 15th of February blog post. 1.2 million individuals own some SHIB, which is a record number of investors who have opted to diversify their holdings by including SHIB. Even the most cautious experts think it will work out well for SHIB. Indeed, according to the best-informed industry insiders, the release of Shibarium will lead to a significant increase in the value of the meme currency. There may be a spike in value. After the Shibarium introduction, thanks to the interest generated according to Twitter, which rekindled the calls for Shibarium analysts, it is not the behavior of these so-called whales that indicates a future increase in value. Adding to the excitement, Kama confirmed in a short tweet reply that a Shibarium album teaser video will be released sometime during the week of February 20th. The absence of core team member MK Diaz caused a delay in Shibarium's arrival, but Shibarium's return to the team has increased hopes for an early release. According to Kama's blog post from February 15th, Dahl's return to the turn after his father's death is a prerequisite for the launch of Shibarium beta. While Kusama did admit to being the victim of online harassment and slurs recently, he has been promoting hype Shibarium with block postings and what appears to be a soon-to-be-released video. In his post for Block BL, Kusama advocated for the SHIB army and called on followers of all faiths to become part of the new Shibarium revolution. The site argues that Shiba Inus can represent universal principles that are compatible with all religions and Web3. People who care about Shiba Inus have high aspirations for a number of reasons. Despite the lack of information, a leading SHIB and Shibarium news source recently stated that lead developer Shoshiro has dropped hints that the launch is happening this week and has disabled messaging on the official Shibarium Telegram channel. These steps cleared the way for suspicion that the decision is to clear the air of false information and background noise before the formal beta launch of the L2 network. The expected occurrence may serve as the catalyst for the subsequent upward trend in SHIB prices. Based on the latest data from WallStats, SHIB ranked third in terms of usage over the past 24 hours among the top 2,000 Ethereum smart contracts. An uptick in demand for SHIB might signal the beginning of its second bull market wave if this week's Shibarium beta launch goes forward as planned. Since the powerful surge that started at the beginning of the year ended in the first week of February, the bulls have struggled to recover control. The timing may be right for a significant rally since the SHIB's 50-day moving average just registered a golden cross. At the same time, the indicators pointed to pessimistic predictions. For example, supply on exchanges fell sharply over the past 4 weeks, while supply outside of exchanges rose overall. Regarding the present mood, the weighted sentiment has dropped significantly over the past several days. The overall market sentiment was bearish last week, which coincided with an increase in sell pressure. In the next days, the anticipated exchange flows should reveal a shift in the weighted sentiment as well as a reserve result. To rephrase, if the Shibarium debut causes a surge of bullish demand, then greater outflows are expected. The prevailing opinion is that Shibarium will increase organic demand by making the Shibu ecosystem more useful. It is still early days yet, and the launch is just a few days away. Shiba Inu will face immediate challenges when whales board the ship, so this is all speculation at this point. A rise in sea levels brought on by an early sign of a substantial shift is the delivery volume spike that is passing through many exponential moving averages (EMAs). As they approach the 50% fib barrier, the bulls are keeping up their pace. Also, the token's price is surging higher than its key moving averages. When in a corrective phase, the Shiba token is anxious to escape the supply zone of 0.000000001500, the immediate obstacle. A double bottom pattern was constructed last week by the bulls, who established a base near 0.800. Afterwards, on February 20th, buyers piled into the demand zone, driving the token price up 30% in the past 20 trading sessions on the 4-hour chart. As a result of purchasers' upright action, the Shiba token indicates fairly bullish strings. There were higher peaks and valleys for Shiba as she traded within the rising parallel channel. Those looking to make a purchase might take heart from the fact that prices have been steadily rising since the beginning of 2023. The Shiba token is